Hi, I have a Nissan 240 SX. It got a black hood, but a conversion with a CRV S13. And I got SSR rims. The headlight looks pretty clean. Yep. A stock hood with a black SSR rim. And I got a Nissan 300Z brake front and back. And I had I don't know, some kind of spraying, drifting. Yeah. On the back, accessory. Car look pretty clean. And then I also got a Mugen exhaust all the way to the back here. I got strap bars everywhere on the back, all the way. LSD, just LSD on the back here too, and everything else pretty good. Pretty clean 240 SX. Interiors are like it's all stock interiors. Dash. Let's see, let me open the hood. There, I got a SR20, the non-turbo. I don't know, man. I don't know why I chose to have a SR20 with a non-turbos on it. I got a Grady strap bar. Yep, it look clean. The motor is no oil leak, anything else. I got HKS filter. Yep. Really mean as hell, man. Let me open the trunk too. I got MTX surf right in the back trunk. No space on it. Strap bars. The back here. And then fires on this right. The whole interiors look really clean. The car had no rust. Yeah. Some GDM styles. Body kits all around. Let me start the engines. Smells like everything worked. Built-in exhaust sounds really nice. This is a high-performance exhaust. Yeah, I don't know. I bought it from eBay. It's a drifting exhaust. Smells pretty good. Like it's all on. Yeah. It's low. The car is low on the ground, man. I got